Hey West Hills, on Tuesday, January 29th, our NDC campus organized a financial aid workshop from 1:30 to 2:30, giving students another chance to apply for their FAFSA or GMAC applications. Annabelle from our financial aid office showed students through the process of applying, beginning with helping them understand which application is right for them. Next, they were showed how to create a login or how to access theirs if they already had one. After this, our two staff members watched over to make sure the applications were being filled out accurately because each question is very important in calculating a student's federal aid. Did you know 2/3 of full-time undergrads receive student aid? Although only a few students attended, all of their questions were answered, and both were able to submit their applications by the end of the event. Remember that the deadline for both applications is March 2nd, so if you have not already, log in and submit yours right away for the 2019-2020 school year.